Can
Yeah.
you ask us like Disney trivia?
Okay, I'll start Disney now.
I don't
Leia's
give
tired of
a,
getting her
I
butt
don't
kicked.
give a
Yeah,
fuck
no.
about tigers and
My
Monopoly.
most random trivia knowledge.
Or even just like better
4
like
million. I literally said that. It's
480.
even just like better geological ones.
All right, 35 easy Disney trivia questions and answers for
Infinity
kids.
plus one.
Straight up stunt.
Wait,
Which
this is for
six-
kids? I can do this one.
Which 6 Disney
Hey,
characters?
check your TikTok mentions. Someone mentioned you in the TikTok.
Okay.
Which 6 Disney characters are known as the Sensational Six?
Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck,
Goofy.
Goofy, Minnie Mouse.
Daisy.
Is Daisy on there?
Daffy.
No, Daffy.
No, that's
Oh wait.
Daffy is not
I
even
didn't
Disney.
I didn't mean to say that.
So wait, we got Mickey, Minnie, Goofy,
Donald.
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 Is Donald's
Donald, Daisy, Minnie, Mickey, Goofy, Pluto.
nice? Pluto,
What is the name of Aladdin's lost father?
Mr. Aladdin.
I don't know if I pronounced this right. Cassim?
I had no idea.
C-A-S-S-I-M?
Kids will not get that.
In The
Cassim.
Little
This is what
Mermaid
they made.
2, see?
It was Yoda dancing because I replied.
What is the name
Hey,
of
Bratz,
the-
you're welcome.
What is the name of the evil fairy who cursed Princess Aurora?
Maleficent.
Duh. That's a tough one.
After not being invited to
The first
christening,
birthday.
cursed the infant Princess Aurora to die before the sunset on Aurora's 16th birthday.
That's kind of fucked.
Who is Princess Ariel's best friend in The Little Mermaid?
The fish.
Sebastian. Flounder.
Flounder. Thank God.
Which actress played the role of twin sisters in Disney's The
Lindsay
Trap of the
Lohan.
Parents?
Lindsay Lohan. I was so shocked when I found out she was one person.
Me too. Me too.
May I tell?
Top four film. What is the name of Jasmine's pet tiger?
Raja.
You're
Isn't that a
slapping
Batman villain?
Raja
I'm kidding.
Ghul.
I'm kidding.
Yeah. In the Lion King movie, where was Simba born?
Africa.
Think.
Every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute passes.
Think. Guys, think.
Yay. Gay. Fruity.
The fruit fields.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
We gotta
Queen.
get this. Where does Patrick live?
Rock.
Okay, so
Rock.
Pride Rock.
I was gonna say rock gay. Oh my god.
what song do Timon and Pumbaa teach Simba in The Lion King?
Hakuna Matata.
It
Come
means
on.
no worries.
Hakuna Matata.
What a wonderful phrase.
What is the name of Disney's first African American princess?
Tiana.
Tiana.
No.
Wait.
The answer is Tiana, a fictional character in the animated
my
feature
fucking
from the film The Princess and the Frog.
Sorry.
Unbelievable. Luke, you're fired.
Who played the role of Mowgli in 2016? You guys would know. What do other animals call Mowgli?
Damn, the
in Jungle Book?
disrespect.
Ugly.
What do the animals call Mowgli in the Jungle Book?
I don't know.
Skinwalker.
Opposite of a woman.
Man.
Man.
A small bear is called a...
Man cub.
Man.
What'd you say?
Cub man.
Can you speak louder?
Pretty sure it's a baseball player.
What group of animals raised Tarzan in the Tarzan film?
Monkeys.
What?
Gorillas.
No.
Sorry.
God. It's a huge difference, guys, with monkeys and gorillas.
We were playing...
Stop. Don't even.
we were playing Heads Up, you know, the game
Oh,
on
yeah.
phone? And the word is human. And
So I look like I'm like
And
a
no
serial
one's-
killer editing your photo,
and
like
no
right
one's
into the
getting
camera.
it. And I'm pointing at Leia. I'm like, Leia, it's you. And she's all, it was so serious. She's all, monkey.
Yeah. Yeah.
What were the names of the 7 dwarfs in the movie Snow White and the Seven
Okay,
Dwarfs?
ready? Doc, Grumpy, Sneezy, Bashful,
Dopey.
Dopey, Happy,
Sleepy.
No, we already.
Sleepy.
Oh yeah, Sleepy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.
You
We
said
got this.
Sneezy. Who is the first Disney princess
Snow White.
Snow White.
with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame?
Cinderella.
Snow White.
Oh, well, we still
We got it right. We got it right first.
Take it. I'll take it.
What is Mickey's Toontown?
Tomb?
Toontown.
Wait,
What
well,
is-
it was a part of
what is-
Disneyland.
Is it Dreamland or Disneyland?
I don't think it's there anymore.
Nope. Who visits the workshop and brings Pinocchio to life?
Geppetto.
Jiminy Cricket.
Jiminy Cricket, bring him to life? What?
The blue fairy.
The heck? I need to rewatch these movies.
Yes,
Pluto
sir.
is also known as
A dog.
this is Pluto the pup.
What kind of question is this, Luke?
Elsa in Disney's Frozen
Let it
is
go.
the princess of which kingdom?
Arendelle.
No, it's Elsa is introduced as the princess of the fictional Scandinavian kingdom of Arendelle.
What was the
You-
question
You're
then?
gonna
You were
him?
close though.
Yes, I'm gonna hit him.
Thank you.
Let him put.
What
Oh, I
is
just
the
moved
name
the camera.
of the gigantic snow creature that Elsa creates to send Anna, Kristoff, and Olaf away?
The Wampa.
It's a food.
Banana.
The dumpling. Cake.
Chip.
Peach. Marshmallow.
Skewer.
See, you went like this, and I was like, bruh.
Yeah, you really
Off camera.
lost me.
What is the name of the song that Cinderella and Prince Charming danced to
Oh.
at the ball?
Let It Go. By
No.
Princess Elsa.
You know this.
I
Queen
know
Elsa.
this one. Don't say it. Yeah, when your heart's desire. So this is love. Da-do-da-do. Wait, is
Who's-
Chad even getting these?
Yeah.
Who is the
They're not
first-
guessing the trivia, but
Who was the first Disney character